drive, 883. We're going racing less than 5. In the second spot, in the green and green. Our third place driver, John Valentino, last stop by 16.9. John still in third, Dominic in fourth, Rick Cammy to round out the top 5. Arthur Knight in 6th, followed by Mike in 7th, Jaime in 8th, Rob and Allen. Front-wheel drive action out there, 130 in and 330 left to go. Joyner out in front now by a half a second over Pantana. A lot of action over here on the left-hand side of the straightaway. We're clear. Go high on the back straight, go high on the back straight, and we're clear. All right, got 2 minutes down and 3 minutes left to go. Got 2 minutes down and 3 minutes left to go. Joyner, Pantana, and Knight. Off the end of the straightaway, the green and the silver. Back into the center of the course. Pick it up. 2:15 and 2:45 left to go. Arthur Knight back up into the top 3. So Arthur gonna have to work it back by quite a bit though, because Arthur is currently trailing the race leader by 6.5. It's a pretty big gap here for our race leader. A couple lappers in between them. Here's our race leader. In front of the announcer, Chadwick down the back straightaway in the green and gray. That's James Joyner leading the way. Pantana in the second spot of white. Red, yellow, and orange. And third place driver, Arthur. In front of the driver's stand. Into the dog leg in the white and orange. Arthur getting down the back straightaway right now, trailing by 6.7 to the race leader. So how does that make any progress on Joyner? 1 minute and 45 seconds left to go. Got 1:45 left. James Joyner, Pantana, and Knight, followed by Valentino and Manzanilla, round out the top 5. We got carpet where? Okay. Thanks. Got the right man for the job. Joyner, Pantana, and Knight are top 3, followed by Valentino and Manzanilla, top 5. Cammy, Carino, and Lungi. Gonna be a 3.8 second lead for Joyner over Pantana. Pantana only 2.5 over Arthur. Our race leader coming up on a white car, Joyner. Down the straightaway, got some pretty clean track in front of him. 1 minute left to go. James across the start finish line, 14.6. Nick Pantana in the second spot. 15.2, Arthur in third. Jaime and John to complete the top 5, followed by Rick, Mike, and Alan. 30 seconds left to go. All right, 25 seconds left to go. Joyner out in front by 5.2. He's already won one of the A's. Looking to make it 2 for the championship title. He's coming up on that white and blue car. We're clear. 15 seconds left to go. James coming across the start finish line, home 5.3 over Pantana. Pantana 2.2 out in Arthur will make it by. Keep going, keep going, keep going. White flag is out. When you cross the start finish line, you'll be done. Rick Cammy, you're done. There's our race winner and champion, James Joyner, going to take the title for front wheel drive of the West Coast Indoor Championships. Couple more to finish, that's a race.